Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how I prepare this delicious yummy peppered beef. It's so yummy and delicious, you cannot afford not to try it. Go ahead and prepare this recipe and tell me in the comment section how yours turned out. So the first thing I'll be doing here is to season this beef. So all that I use in seasoning this meat, I'll leave them in the description box below. So I'll go ahead and season the meat. So after seasoning the meat, I will be leaving this meat to marinate for about 40 minutes. And note that guys, that the longer you allow the meat to marinate, the better it becomes. Like, it has more time to absorb all the nutrients, all the ingredients you used in seasoning it. The meat has been cooking for about 10 minutes without adding water to it. So here now I'm adding in a cup of water to help the meat to get done. I allow the meat to cook down, remaining with just little stock from the meat, which I will use in making the sauce. In another pot, I added in some vegetable oil, which I allowed to heat up for some time before adding all the chopped onions, ginger and garlic, which I allowed to fry for some time. So after the onions have been frying for about 2 minutes, I went on and added the fresh pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper, which I have here. I used lots of scotch bonnet pepper. So I allowed the pepper to fry for some time. So when the pepper has fried up to my taste, I added in some suya pepper, black pepper, seasoning powder and the salt to taste before adding in the beef. I skipped a step here. You can go ahead and add that step to yours, which is to fry the beef before adding the beef or frying the beef in the beef sauce. It will take the taste of the beef to another level. When the beef has fried to my taste in the sauce, I went ahead and added some more onions, fresh tomatoes, and these fresh tomatoes are deseeded. I removed the seeds before making use of them. And finally I'm adding in the spring onions. So I'm adding back the beef stock. I'll cover the pot and allow everything to simmer for 3 minutes and the meat is done. our delicious peppered beef is ready and served. Enjoy. If you're still watching this video up till now, and if you've not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon, the notification bell icon, smash it, turn it on so that you don't get to miss any of my food episodes. YouTube will notify you. You'll be the first to know anytime I post any video here, so when you turn on that bell icon. And please give the video huge thumbs up, like the video, and share the video with your friends and your family so that the channel will keep growing. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you are coming here for the first time, thank you for dropping by. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you guys. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.